Hey, Jessica, Paul here with Eastwind SEO. I'm just going to show you a short video that we talked about yesterday, and it's going to go over some helpful tips that will help you increase your online presence. You can implement them today. Hopefully you get some value out of this video, and if you like what you see, you can reach back out to me and maybe we can work together. If not, no big deal. I hope you can at least take some of the information I'm going to show you and use it to help you guys. So first off, we're going to start here on your website, and we're going to go over three things in this video, which is content, citations, and backlinks. So first off, we'll start with content. If you take a look at your website here, it's not a bad website. I do like how you have your click to call button right here. It is a little small. If I have a recommendation, I would definitely, might want to make it a little more noticeable, stand out to customers. But if it works for you, then, there's no problem there. As we go down the website, there's not much to it. You do have your contact form here right up front, which is great. That's definitely something you want to have up front. If I were to have a major recommendation, it would be that Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and the reason for this is they're going to send bots that are going to crawl your page looking for keywords relevant to your site and your services, and that's going to improve your ranking on Google, and the goal is to get to that front page of Google. So keywords are going to be anything that a customer is going to go into Google and punch in, that has to do with your work, your services, what you do. And their bot's going to crawl, they're going to find those, and as long as they have relevancy to your website, it's going to help improve your rankings on Google, because Google loves content. So next, if we go into a Google search, and I look for aluminum companies in Northport, the first thing that we're going to see, usually before this there might be some ads that pop up, but right now it looks like it's just going to be straight to the map pack, and then underneath that map pack is going to be your organic search results. Now, as we can see, the map pack, this is an important place to be, these top three right here, because as soon as somebody puts in a search for a company, they're most likely going to go with the top three companies right up here is the first thing they're going to click on. And now getting into the map pack, that has to do with your citations. So citations are going to be your company name, phone number, address, and all that information put into online directories. Those can be anything from Yelp, Yellow Pages, even Facebook. There's hundreds of directories out there that you can put your company info into, and that's going to help you get into that top three map pack. Next, down here, if we look at the organic search results, if we go, this is going to be the first page, and as we can see, I'm not seeing you guys anywhere up here. And if we go into a tool that I like to use, which is called Ahrefs, and I put in your company. Now, Ahrefs is a tool that helps me check out the performance of a website, all their keywords, backlinks, such stuff like that. We can see here you don't have a UR and DR rating, which is going to be the UR and DR has to do with your trust and power, according to Google, coming from your website. That's going to have a lot to do with backlinks, and backlinks are going to be basically a shout out from another website. Maybe it could be an out-of-state website or another town, or even a directory or a comment blog, and it's basically them referring back to your website saying, hey, Bentley's aluminum, they're good, they're great, they did all this good work, and they put a link on their website that once somebody clicks on it, it'll go take it directly back to your link or your website. And now, not all backlinks are created equal. There are ones that you want to get that are on websites that are relevant to your work. Like, you can't go to an ice cream shop, and if they give you a link back to your website, it's going to hurt you more than, help you. And as we can see, you guys have one backlink coming in, one referring domain. You are being found for 2 organic keywords. You're not getting any traffic. There's not really a whole lot of data here for me to look at. So if we go back to the organic search results and we take a look at these guys right on the front page, which is going to be Absolute Aluminum. I'm just going to copy this real quick and throw them into, maybe copy it. There we go. And I'm going to throw them into Ahrefs. We want to take a look at their whole site. So as you can see, all right, so the URDR is pretty good. Now on this, you want to get that, as high as you can, but you also want to keep these two numbers in close ratio with each other. But as you can see, they have 519 referring domains, giving them 1,400 backlinks. They're being found for 2,300 keywords. That's a ton of keywords. They're getting a lot of traffic. They're getting a lot of value from all that. If we can go through this, take a look at some of these keywords that they're being found for, like, pool screen enclosure. They have 3,300 or 3,500 volume coming through, that's a lot of volume for them for that keyword. Pool screen enclosure, all these different keywords that you guys are missing out on that could definitely be bringing you guys a ton more traffic. And once all of those factors start coming together, the citations, the backlinks, and all your content in Google, that's going to help you rank up into that first page on Google, into that top 3 in the map pack, and that will help you increase business, bring you a lot more clients, bring you a lot more revenue. So with that being said, I hope you can take some value away from this video. I would appreciate, just a few lines of feedback. You can reply to my email that I'm going to send this in, or you can contact me at this information. It will also be in the email as well. Feel free to check out my website. And I do appreciate your time taking a look at this, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.